Real quick, I want to show you guys what the backyard looks like at night. I know in a previous video I showed you, but the lighting wasn't too good. So this is what it looks like at night. We'll talk about those hanging baskets in a minute. But this is it. This is why I put in all that hard work, just so I can have my own space, be at peace. This is what it looks like. Oh yeah, really like it. Have more work to do, but I'm getting there. What do you think? Hi guys, welcome back. How you been? Sounds good. Told you I was gonna paint this. Just be patient with me. I'll get to it eventually. All around here, all down there and around the house. Hanging baskets, they're great. Brought by management. Still got my lights up. Tiki torch been added. Oh yeah. This really turned out extremely well. Fence, mulch bed, grass, screen. Oh yeah, nice and big. That's what you want to see. My fountain. Man, I tell you, I used 2 different sealants. Not just once or twice either. Still leaking. Might have to replace it. Don't leave this out in the wintertime. I think that's what happened. And that winter did something to it. Anyway, my rose bushes, might have to move them over there. Got a project coming up, and they'll be in the way. I don't want to do it, but I have to. The new patio set, the new old patio set, I should say, looks great. Looks great. Just all turned out near perfect. Oh yeah. Barbecue grill cover, nice and big. The old one was too little for the grill. That's why I got the tears. Not anymore. This is nice. Over here, this is where the plants went. Lilies, white plants, red salvias are from the front. I did a video on that. But this is it. Let me give you guys a closer look at the mulch bed. I picked the hibiscus and holy grail because I wanted more color over here. White plants didn't look good. Lilies didn't look good. So I came with these. Also a hydrangea. Now the lilac here, that one was attached to this one. Started to grow too tall. Didn't look right in the mulch bed up front. So had to make some changes. Spray painted this area so I know where to put the tripod. Everything's going well. Give you a closer look at the tiki torches and the movie projector screen. Real big, real big. Just to let you know, if a bird leaves you a present, don't panic. Just get a towel, wet it, a little bleach, very little. Little awesome, little dishwashing liquid, something like that. Comes right out. Trust me on that. Okay, let's come over here. Tiki torch. Great. The Vinkas, my annuals, my babies. Here's another teaching moment right here, guys. When you're doing this resurface job, please do not leave any standing water, or this will happen. Yep, happened to me. A second coat of concrete top and bond will do, though. Doesn't really matter, because all this will be gone next year, so there's no point in doing that second layer. Gonna redo the fence. The seating set looks great, though, over here. Got another pot on top of the table. Begonias, vincas, oh yeah. Looks pretty decent. Management was gonna throw this out, both of them. That's why you don't throw stuff out. You can use them for something. They look great here. So there's no point in getting frustrated over the concrete. After I redo the fence, I'll have to resurface the concrete again. Just like the grass. Got other stuff to do. There's no point in overseeding now. One of the things I would like to do in the future, the deck. From there to there, from end to end. I got it all mapped out. I'll get it done. It'll look nice. Be my first time, but I know I can pull it off. After I did that fence, there's nothing I can't do. Rose bushes, much as I like them here, I want them to stay here. I got to move them over there. It's going to hurt my heart, but it has to be done. They'll look great over there, though. Trust me, they will. They'll look great. Can't wait. Hanging pots were a good choice. Nice touch. Really are. Very nice. Let me tell you something about these annuals. They didn't look too good in the store. Decided to take a chance on them. And when you see stuff that looks like it's stressing, buy it, especially if it's cheap. Buy it, bring it home, put it in dirt, give it some water. Be patient. Be patient. And you'll see. We're making progress, people. That's what counts. That fountain has to go. Aside from that, like what I see, remember the camera? It's still up there. Still works. Well, you know that. You know that. Anyway, you know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns, too. Bye.